Installing your FeedFlo system is straightforward, and with a few basic tools, you can have everything up and running in no time. Follow these steps to ensure proper setup and calibration. Before starting, turn off the power to the feed system at the breaker. It's also recommended to do the install when the barn is empty, but that's up to you. Begin by setting up the office equipment. Choose a spot for the switch and modem, then mount the switch and connect the modem to it. Once everything's in place, plug in the power. Then, prepare the FeedFlo unit by installing the clamp so it's ready when you move to the next step. Next, pull the Ethernet cable from the office to the start of the feed line. Clean the top of the pipe and mark the center using the included level. Drill the hole with the provided hole saw. Then, position the FeedFlo over the drilled hole and clamp it securely in place. Take the previously pulled Ethernet cable and connect it to the port on the FeedFlo device. You should see the green connectivity light come on. To register the device, use the mobile app. Each unit has a serial number on the front plate. Just enter that into the app. It's a quick process and only needs to be done once. Once registered, run the pipe empty to zero the sensor. Close the bin shutter and restore power to the feed system. Let it run for about 2 minutes, then open the shutters again. You're all set.
So the installation is super simple. I don't have to have an electrician come for the installation because you're not dealing with high voltage electricity or anything like that.
It is not a difficult process if anyone can install in their barn, in all fairness.